Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat fail to send problem. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to check is your Wi-Fi connection. So let's open up Snapchat. So if you're not connected to the internet, you have to make sure you checked it and you're not connected to the internet. That's the first and most common problem. If your internet connection, your Wi-Fi connection is not good, if you're on data and your cellular connection is not that good, this might be the problem that has occurred. So what you can do for that is just open up a site, browser, your Safari, or load up another app. If it works out just fine, you know that it's not a problem of your connection. The other thing you can do is open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure you are not on the older version of the app. So if there are any updates for the app, please make sure you get that update and you get your app updated as soon as possible. So if you're on really older, outdated version of the app, there might be bugs associated with it, which is why you might be facing such issues. So please make sure you update your app. And if that's not working still, what you can do is try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. This might also fix your issue. So to uninstall, you just tap on the app and then click on uninstall, and then you will reinstall the app from the App Store or Play Store. So another thing, if none of this works out for you, you might then think that this might be some problem with the Snapchat server. So sometimes the Snapchat servers are down, which is why the app does not work. So for that, you can just Google if the Snapchat server is down. You can go to Twitter. So you can check any video on YouTube with the same problem, and there might be comments in it that the Snapchat server is down. And if that's the case, all you can do is just wait it out, wait for Snapchat to fix their servers. So that's it guys, that's how you can fix the fail to send problem on Snapchat. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below. Please leave a like on this video if you liked it, and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.